Just a disclaimer, this video is part on the review on preliminaries, specifically algebraic properties of real numbers. Hence, when we say here that we prove the product of -1 and -1 be equal to +1, we are going to show here a proof using the properties of real numbers. I understand that this idea or identity is already true with the most cases, but since we are trying to review the algebraic properties of real numbers, let us show the truth value of this using that process. Okay, so this is not to give another reason for us to doubt that -1 or the product of two negative ones is +1, but this is just to show further that there is another proof under the algebraic properties of R. So this is the proof for this. Okay, so we are going to show again the product of -1 and -1 being +1 using the algebraic properties of R. So our goal here is we should start from this left hand side and must arrive to our right hand side. So let us start with this. Of course, we will introduce the left hand side, and we are going to use the properties of real numbers, specifically the algebraic properties of real numbers, in order for us to arrive to our, of course, very obvious answer of +1. What I would like to do here is this: -1 times -1. Let me add 0. By adding 0, we are not changing the actual expression, but we are introducing 0 so that we could introduce additive inverses. Because 0 can be a result when adding two additive inverses. So it's just like that. You have -1, -1, and again 0 can be rewritten in this form. It could be the sum of -1 and +1, right? -1 plus +1 is equal to 0, and of course they are inverses of each other, so again that's just equal to 0, so we are not changing the actual value of our left hand side. But once we introduce that, we can see that 1 already appeared here, which is our intended goal to this very obvious identity or property. Again, I had a disclaimer earlier, so please bear with me as I show you this process using the algebraic properties of R. So what we could do here is the associative property of addition, as we regroup them using the first term, which is -1 times -1 plus this another -1, and isolate 1 as we use the associative property of addition. Hence, we are now one step closer to just stating that the result is just equal to 1. Okay. Now with this, we can see that there is a factor of -1 here. Hence, it's a product of distributive property. While we distribute -1 to all the terms inside, it's reverse. This is still a algebraic property of real numbers. The reverse method of the distributive property is when we take out -1, and then leaving on the first term still another -1. But for the second term, since we took out -1 here, what is left is +1 this time. So +1. Looking into this, we can see that we have another set of additive inverse being added, just like what happened here. Obviously, that's equal to 0. So you have -1 times 0 plus 1. Look at the first term. It's a product of -1 and 0. So automatically, that's just 0 plus 1, which gives us 1. Now we have arrived to our intended result. Again, I believe the identity is very obvious and we are using that all of the time. But this is just to structure that further using the algebraic properties of R. Hence, we have arrived that the product of -1 and -1 is just equal to our right hand side here, which is equal to 1. And this is the proof, further proof of this identity. Again, please bear with me. This video is part of the review on the real numbers, specifically algebraic properties, which are very essential in understanding or helping in the proof of some concepts of topics in real analysis. Thank you very much for watching.